In the middle of a cool forest, a little turtle felt sad because it rained every day. "I can't play. The rain makes everything wet and gloomy," he complained. He sat quietly under a wide leaf, watching the drops of water fall to the ground. Day by day, he began to see something different. From the wet soil, colorful flowers grew. In the puddles, small fish swam happily. Frogs sang, and rainbows appeared in the sky. The turtle smiled. It turns out, rain is not only about sadness, it brings life. The meaning of the story. In life, not all bad things are really bad. Sometimes, what we complain about actually gives beauty and growth. We just need to learn to see from a different side.